Ang daming nagsasabi, nasa ex daw ang true love. Kanino kaya ako babalik?
Minahal kita, tapos nagmahal ka ng iba? Lord, gabayan mo kaming tatlo.
Yung babaeng pinapaiyak mo, pinapangarap ng iba yan. Pilit mo, gwapo ka, gago ka.
You tell me you're in love with me, like you can't take your pretty eyes away from me. It's not that I don't wanna stay.
Puro kalokohan daw yung post ko. Eh, ikaw nga niloko mo ako, pinost pa kita. Kakahiwalay lang, may jowa ka agad. Wow, prepared kang hayop ka.
Takot na takot maagaw ang jowa niya. Eh paano? Inagaw lang din kasi niya.
They know all my money sure. I don't ever get it one way. Yeah, spinning and I get it same day. But hey.